We're going to explain how to prevent the Android soft keyboard from pushing your view up. This is a common problem when designing Android apps, and thankfully, there are several ways to solve it. 1. The simplest and often most effective method is to add the Android Window Soft Input Mode attribute to your Activities activity tag in your Android manifest.xml file. This attribute controls how the window behaves when the soft keyboard appears. You'll want to set it to Adjust Resize or Adjust Pan. Adjust Resize will resize your Activities window, shrinking the content to make space for the keyboard. Adjust Pan will move your entire layout upwards so that the currently focused view remains visible above the keyboard. Choose the one that best suits your app's layout and design. 2. If you're using a coordinator layout, which is often a good practice for complex layouts, you can combine it with a bottom sheet behavior. This allows you to create a sheet that slides up from the bottom and handles keyboard interactions effectively. The bottom sheet will automatically adjust to prevent content from being hidden. 3. Another approach involves using a scroll view, or nested scroll view, to wrap the content that might be obscured by the keyboard. This lets the content scroll vertically to reveal parts hidden beneath the keyboard. However, keep in mind that excessive scrolling can affect user experience, so use this carefully. 4. For more fine-grained control, you can use a view tree observer to listen for changes in the window's size. This allows you to detect when the keyboard appears or disappears and adjust your layout programmatically. This method is more complex, but provides the most flexibility. You would register an on-global layout listener on your root view to observe the changes and handle them appropriately, possibly adjusting the margins or padding of your views. 5. Finally, remember to check for any conflicting layouts or constraints that might inadvertently cause the view to push up. Sometimes, a simple review of your XML layout and constraints can reveal and fix unexpected behavior. Carefully examine any constraints that might be pushing your view upwards, especially those linked to the bottom of the screen. Removing unnecessary constraints or adjusting their behavior can resolve the issue without additional code. By using one or a combination of these methods, you can effectively prevent the Android soft keyboard from pushing up your view and ensure a smooth user experience. Remember to test your solution thoroughly on different devices and screen sizes.